As you may be able to see from the background, we're right in the heart of winter. It's very cold outside and we're getting a little bit of snow. So you may be thinking about selling your home, but want to wait until the spring market, wait until it heats up a little bit. Well, today I'm going to talk about a few different reasons why you may actually consider selling in the winter, because there's a couple of great reasons to do so. So the first reason you may consider selling this winter is that we're still in a seller's market. There's a lot of buyers out there and there's really not a lot of listings. The next reason is that there's a lot of buyers out there still and there's not a lot of competition. So if you want to set yourself apart from the others, now's a great time to do it because there's really not a lot of competition out there for you. The next reason is there's not a lot of snow on the ground right now, but if there's a lot of snow on the ground, it actually prevents you from having to do a lot of landscaping. All you need to do is make sure that your property is safe to view, make sure it is shoveled, maybe a little salt on the ground walking up to your home, but you don't have to worry about keeping the gardens perfect, or even if your neighbor's house isn't very nice on the outside, you don't have to worry about that as much. Because let's face it, the buyers aren't only looking at your house, they're looking at the neighbor side by side as well. The next reason is that days on market becomes a little bit less relevant. Buyers realize that in the winter, sometimes it takes a little bit longer to sell. So when they look at days on market and they see your home's been on the market for 3, maybe 4 weeks, they're less concerned about it. In the summer, if your home's been on the market for 3, 4, 5 weeks, all of a sudden it's starting to become a stale listing. Buyers start to wonder what's wrong with your home, and then you start to see some lower priced offers. And then finally, the last reason we'll talk about today is that we may be up for another mortgage rate increase in the spring. So what that means, higher mortgage rates puts a little more pressure on buyers and they may have less buying power. So if you've been thinking about selling your home, now may be a great time to do it. But really it comes down to every individual and every seller. So it's worth having a conversation with your realtor about what the best time to sell is for you. It may be the winter or it may be waiting until that spring market. And of course, if you don't have a realtor yet, I'd be happy to help. And if you found this video useful, please subscribe below. I've got a lot of great content coming out for both buyers and sellers. Thanks and have a great day.